Swag Nation. Right here, you see this? Swag Nation. Lil Cream. It's over. I've waited. Check it. It ain't over yet though. Listen. I've waited so long for you to come back. I cried 2 months and now I'm here making this rap. You know me, cause I am a big achiever. I get back up and I dust off my sneakers, dust my shoulders off and get my snap back on and get my rosary and pray I didn't do anything wrong. But I'm tired of this game, cause every time I spit this rap game stays the same. My lyrics are supposed to make memories, and I don't really give a damn if you're not friends with me. And then you left, but I am never leaving. And my rap is my passion, as long as I keep dreaming. You need to stop believing, the devil keep deceiving. As God is my witness, He knows that I am healing. And God forgive me for I have sins, but I'm here to stay, and my goal is for me to win. What? You killed it. Swag Nation. Soak it in, baby. Soak it in. It's over.